3, 2, 1.
Which country recently hosted the Winter Olympics? The answer is B, China. What have a negative impact on the environment? The answer is D, dump yards. Which author wrote Jabberwocky? The answer is B, Lewis Carroll. I have no beginning or end, yet I connect the world. What am I? The answer is D, Internet. Which philosopher said the unexamined life is not worth living, famously? The answer is C, Socrates. Which animal has a horn on its beak? The answer is B, platypus. The magnitude of the momentum vector is the product of what two properties? The answer is C, mass and speed. Amino acids broken down by metabolic process are mostly recycled into new what? The answer is B, proteins. I'm never wrong, yet often misleading. I make wise men look foolish and fools look wise. What am I? The answer is C, Philosopher's Stone. Who wrote Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone? The answer is A, J.K. Rowling. I danced the tango, won Oscars, and sang Cheek to Cheek. What am I? The answer is C, movie star. Who started at third base for the New York Mets on opening day in 1962? The answer is B, Don Zimmer. In the novel Twilight, who accompanied Bella when she went to Phoenix to try escape the tracker? The answer is D, Alice and Jasper. What is the cloud storage service developed by Dropbox called? The answer is A, Dropbox Cloud. Mike and Gloria were two of the main characters on which TV show? The answer is C, All in the Family. What name do Ellie and Manny give to their firstborn child in the 2009 animated movie Ice Age, Dawn of the Dinosaurs? The answer is D, Peaches. Anne's project for the science fair is about renewable energy. She wants to describe an activity that uses a renewable source of energy. Which activity should she describe in her project? The answer is C, flying a kite in the wind. Human actions can change the rate at which soil erodes. Which of the following would most likely slow the rate of soil erosion? The answer is D, planting trees along cliffs. Which book is set in a dystopian future where people's memories are controlled by the government? The answer is A, Brave New World. What is determined by the amount of energy in molecules? The answer is C, state of matter. What do people use from aquifers from springs or wells? The answer is C, fresh water. Which movie features the line, "I feel the need for speed"? The answer is A, Top Gun. What is Brett's dog's name on the Australian sitcom Kath Kim? The answer is D, Cujo. Which object works best when reflecting light? The answer is A, mirror. Where did fictional character Tom Riddle Voldemort live before going to live and study at Hogwarts? The answer is B, an orphanage. Which unit of time is 70 minutes? The answer is C, week. I change my brightness throughout the night. What am I? The answer is A, moon. If HCl and NaOH are combined, what compound is produced other than water? The answer is A, NaCl. What is the deepest canyon in the world found near a mountain range? The answer is A, Grand Canyon. What character did Robin Williams portray in the 1991 movie Hook? The answer is C, Peter Pan. I'm full of holes and used for writing. What am I? The answer is C, bottle. What kitchen item resembles a small frying pan? The answer is D, crepe pan. The Chinese army was able to invade South Korea in 1951 because what river froze? The answer is B, the Yalu. Which saint is referred to as the patron of fishermen? The answer is D, Andrew the Apostle. What is the main character of Fortnite called? The answer is A, Peely. Which is the world's smallest continent? The answer is B, Antarctica. What is the smallest functional unit of a transistor? The answer is C, base. What was Stephanie's catchphrase on the show Full House? The answer is C, how rude. I'm full of keys, but I can't open a single lock. What am I? The answer is B. Keyboard. I flow around the world, carrying the stories of civilizations. What am I? The answer is C. Ocean. What planet has the most volcanoes? The answer is C. Venus. In 1984, who became the first American ever to win the all-around title at the Olympics? The answer is A. Mary Lou Retton. What movie was released in Japan under the title Sunny Classroom? The answer is B. Mr. Holland's Opus. The language Bengali belongs to which language family? The answer is B. Indo-European. Which biological activity occurs in a repeated rhythm? The answer is C. Breathing. Which game features characters like Mario, Luigi, and Peach? The answer is B. Mario Kart. What former Dharma Greg star portrays Agent Hotchner on the crime drama Criminal Minds? The answer is B. Thomas Gibson. Mars takes about how many Earth days to travel once around the Sun? The answer is C. 687. Regulatory proteins bind to regulatory elements to control what? The answer is D. Transcription. If you flew due south from Belize, which countries would you pass over on your way to El Salvador?